if you want to turn on or off the vibration on your Samsung Galaxy A26 keyboard, well, first of all, you shall open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down right to our sound and vibration tab. Here locate your system vibration, and here locate your Samsung keyboard. So in order to turn it off, tap on the switch and it will be off. To turn it back on, tap on the switch and it will be back on. Easy as that. The second variant is to open up your settings, scroll down to a general management tab, then locate your Samsung keyboard settings. Great. Here we are to find our swipe, touch and feedback. Locate your touch feedback. Here you can choose sound, vibration, and character preview. Basically the same. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.